So, day 2 of our trip in Sarahan, and it's raining. Well, it's been raining since last night. So instead of getting ready, we are in our rain gear. Okay, so here we are in our campground in Kalpa, and this is the view. And our campground is right here, and the leader is lounging around right here. And yeah, way too many flowers, man. So here we have Romilji exclamation mark borrowing apricots permanently exclamation mark. There he goes, and he has found a candidate, and there's the goal, and now the apricot's not coming back anymore.
Fresh, juicy, natural, organic. It cannot get better than this.
And for free. You forgot about that.
We paid for this hotel, so I cannot call it free.
Campground. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Here he goes again.
Amazing.
Yeah, he's ready to just permanently camp here, it looks like.
I am planting the seeds back. Rashi, this is for you. You were asking about seeds. I am throwing seeds back. You want to try?
No, I'm good.
Can we try an apple?
Well, you can. It's not like there's anything stopping you now.
I don't know if they are ready to eat or not.
Probably not.
Fully ripe, nice, juicy, pulpy. Orange apricot. They're really very sweet.
Okay.
I think you should go and try.
Maybe later. Not hungry right now.
The Kalpa camp. Come, please follow me. Beautiful flowers everywhere. Wild and planted. Apple orchard, apricot. Walnut is also there. A beautiful pine plant. And just look at all these flowers. Beautiful flowers everywhere. And over there on top you can see the Kinnar Kailash. The peak that you see is not the Kinnar Kailash, but on the right hand side of that peak you will see a very small peak very faintly behind the clouds. That is Kinnar Kailash. On a clear weather you can actually see a shivling on top of that peak, which we have seen today.
Well, I zoomed in, so hopefully they'll know what we're talking about.
And further right we have a glacier. I don't know what is the name of that glacier, but maybe tomorrow morning we will get a better view.
Yeah, it's hidden behind the clouds today.
Tiger lilies, hollyhock, daisies, and sunflower. That is some wild plant, but very pretty. Then we have got bush rose.
There's the second seating area that I was talking about earlier.
Look at that plaster. It's mud and it's hay. It's a plaster made of mud and hay.
तो आप लोगों का कितना लंबा पूरा
बस कल वापस वी आर गोइंग, हम लोग काजा की तरफ जा रहे हैं, काजा, चंद्रताल, मनाली। तो आज का यहाँ पे है स्टॉप ओवर। ही इज अनदर ओनर। प्रॉपर्टी बहुत बढ़िया है और मैंने वही इनको बोला कि ऐसी जगह है यहाँ पे कम से कम 2 दिन के लिए तो आदमी को मिनिमम 2 दिन होना है। अगर ये लैंडस्केपिंग आइडिया कैसे आया आपको?
मैं यूपी गया था कुछ साल पहले, 1996 में।
बहुत ही बढ़िया जगह है, मज़ा आ गया देख के। He is Sushil, he is the owner of this place and he has made all these things whatever you have seen so far. So come visit this place and you will really enjoy it. Look at that rainbow.
Oh, it's grown.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.